Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make double Q pink salmon using an easy method. First, open and drain 1 can of double Q pink salmon, ensuring all liquid is removed. Transfer the salmon to a small bowl. Use a fork to flake the salmon, carefully removing any bones or skin you find. This step is crucial for a pleasant texture. Now, gather your favorite seasonings like a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. We're ready for the next step. Now that your salmon is flaked, it's time to add some delicious flavor. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt to the bowl. This creates a creamy base. Next, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For a bright, zesty kick, add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Gently mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined and the salmon is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Your easy double Q pink salmon is now ready to enjoy. There are many delicious ways to serve it. For a simple snack, spread the mixture on your favorite crackers or small slices of toasted bread. You can also make a quick and healthy lunch by using it as a filling for a sandwich or wrap, adding fresh lettuce and tomato. It also makes a fantastic, protein-rich topping for a crisp green salad. Get creative and savor your homemade salmon. Here are a few final tips to enhance your salmon experience. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs like fresh dill or chopped chives to customize the flavor profile to your liking. For those who love to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious salmon.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.